The deep sea. A place of mystery and intrigue, with wonders that we have yet to fully discover. It covers over 2/3 of our planet's surface, with depths that reach up to 11 kilometers. And while we may never fully understand the mysteries that lie beneath, every dive brings us one step closer to unlocking its secrets. But why is the deep sea so important to explore? Some might argue that we have enough problems on land to worry about. But the truth is, the deep sea is essential to the survival of our planet. It's home to countless species of fish, plants, and other organisms that play a vital role in regulating our climate and providing us with food. Take, for example, the humble plankton. These tiny organisms may seem insignificant, but they're responsible for producing over 50% of the oxygen we breathe. And they're just one of the many species that call the deep sea home. But the deep sea is also full of surprises. In the past few decades, we've discovered countless new species that were previously unknown to science. From glowing jellyfish to giant squid, the deep sea is a treasure trove of bizarre and fascinating creatures. One of the most stunning sights in the deep sea is the bioluminescence, the production of light by living organisms. Some deep-sea creatures, like the anglerfish, use their bioluminescence to lure prey towards their large mouths, while others use it as a form of communication or camouflage. The lantern shark, for example, has organs that can produce light, which it uses to illuminate the ocean floor to hunt for prey. The deep-sea dragonfish, on the other hand, has the ability to produce red light, which helps it remain invisible to other predators. The deep sea is also home to some of the world's oldest living organisms. The black coral, for example, can live for over 4,000 years, and some species of sponge are estimated to be over 11,000 years old. The deep sea is also home to the elusive and mysterious giant squid, which can grow up to 43 feet long and have tentacles that can reach over 30 feet. They were once thought to be mythological creatures, but scientists have since found evidence of their existence. Another fascinating wonder of the deep sea is the presence of undersea lakes or brine pools. These are areas of water that are much saltier than the surrounding ocean and can be toxic to many marine organisms. Yet, these extreme environments are teeming with life, including bacteria that thrive in the harsh conditions. Another wonder of the deep sea is the presence of cold seeps, which are areas where methane and other hydrocarbons seep out of the ocean floor. These seeps can support unique communities of organisms, including tube worms, clams, and crabs. The deep sea is also home to some of the longest living creatures on Earth, including the Greenland shark, which can live for up to 400 years. These fascinating creatures have adapted to survive in the harsh conditions of the deep sea and have much to teach us about the wonders of our planet. But it's not just the creatures of the deep sea that are fascinating. The geology of the deep sea floor is also a wonder to behold. Volcanic activity, tectonic plates, and hydrothermal vents all contribute to the unique landscapes and ecosystems found in the deep sea. Hydrothermal vents are particularly interesting. These vents spew superheated water and chemicals into the surrounding environment, creating a harsh and hostile environment that is still home to a surprising array of life. Some of the creatures that live around hydrothermal vents, such as giant tube worms and blind shrimp, have evolved to survive in these extreme conditions. The deep sea also contains underwater canyons and mountain ranges, which can rival their counterparts on land in terms of their size and complexity. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, for example, is a vast underwater mountain range that spans the length of the Atlantic Ocean and is home to unique species of animals adapted to the extreme conditions. Of course, exploring the deep sea is no easy feat. It requires specialized equipment and a team of experts to navigate the treacherous depths. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Every dive brings us closer to understanding our planet and the complex web of life that exists within it. But there are also challenges to deep-sea exploration. The pressure and darkness can be overwhelming, and the technology we have available is still limited. And as we delve deeper into the unknown, we must be careful not to disrupt the delicate balance of life that exists in the deep sea. So what does the future hold for deep-sea exploration? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. The wonders of the deep sea will continue to captivate us for generations to come. Whether we're searching for new species or studying the effects of climate change, the deep sea remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious places on our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the depths of the ocean. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating science content, and we'll see you in the next video.